Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a huge Target haul for you guys. As you may have saw last weekend, the weekend before last, so 2 weekends ago, Michael and I took a little weekend trip to Minneapolis, Minnesota, which is actually the Target headquarters, and they have their flagship store there. So I got a bunch of awesome stuff to show you guys. I actually ordered some stuff online a few days before we went on the trip, so I'm going to show you guys that too. It's also from Target, and I am just so excited, so let's get into it. So, first thing I'll show you. So this is from the Target Dollar Spot or Bullseye's Playground. I don't know, I hear both of it. And I got this for $5, this decorative pillow. It says, wait, what does it say? Oh, 'tis the season to be merry. I'm like trying to read it backwards through the camera viewfinder. 'Tis the season to be merry. So I thought this would be super cute. It is $3. They actually had this in green, red, and gray. And they actually might have had tan too. But it's super cute, comes with a little twine hanger. It says make it your own, and it's just like a wooden Christmas tree that you can hang and put anything you want on it. So with that being said, is the next item, which is super cute. Also $3 for all of these. They are wooden holiday and Christmas stickers. So my plan is, and I'll make a video and show you guys, to put these on here along with maybe some glitter and some snowflakes or something and make a little super cheap and fun craft. So that's my plan for this. On to the clothing. Okay, so I had read online that Target had blanket scarves. I was very excited for these blanket scarves because I want one so bad. So we went to the Target in Minneapolis and they had nothing. The dollar spot was totally cleared out, nothing at all. And then on the way to see the play, we had to walk by the Target, and where you walk by the dollar spot is like right in that corner where the entrance is. I just happened to be looking and there they were, the blanket scarves. I just ran in the store and grabbed one. So I got this one. It is folded up, but this is it in all its blanket glory. It is, I can't even show you the whole thing, it's so big. It's literally a blanket. Like how I'm wearing a other scarf too. Just, I mean, you can see this goes all the way back. This was $7. Next, also from the dollar spot. So like I said, I'm a sucker for Christmas decorations. Okay, this actually says let it snow. This was $3. It's just one of those boxes to put on your shelf. They had so many different designs. Ones that said Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah. They had so many designs. I am a huge washi tape person. I'm obsessed with washi tape. I also love sending letters. I'm like the only millennial left, it seems like, that loves letters. To all my fellow male letter writer lovers out there, let me know, because my coworkers make fun of me because I'm the only person they know under 30 that still writes letters. But I love washi tape because I can put it on my letters and my cards to kind of personalize them and seal the letters, and they're just fun. So I got this glitter Christmas tree tape, washi tape. So it's actually glitter green Christmas trees. I am so excited to put this on my cards. This was $1, just this roll. I also got just this, you can see here the plain plaid with the green and the red. Yeah, so that was also $1 for just this roll. This glitter snowflake, you can see it's like a white glitter snowflake. Also just $1 for this. But still speaking, I guess, with the tradition of letters, I got $1 each sets of gift tags. These are just circles that say joy. You can see the pre-cut hole on top. And then these, 'tis the season to be merry. They match my pillow. Again, $1 each, and they already have the hole cut in them to put on gifts. Speaking of gifts, I got these $1 each for 20 jumbo stickers. They're all different designs. And then got some stickers. These were, I want to say these were $2 or $3. But these are just like festive holiday stickers to put on cards and gift tags. And then, oh, I'm so excited. This was $3 and I should have bought another one. It's a giant Santa and reindeer banner. You can see the other reindeers on the back too. I am so excited for this. Okay, so going back to clothes for a little bit, I got this pea coat from the Target store in Minneapolis. So I am normally a medium, but I ended up getting this tan pea coat in a size large. Once again, if you saw my Minneapolis vlog, I was wearing it and I was showing it off. I absolutely love it. I will say it was a little pricier. It was $70, but it is so incredibly thick. Like, I wish you guys could actually put this on because it's so thick and so comfortable. And then I also bought this dress online. It was on clearance, part of their A New Day line. It's very springy. And then I also got this long sleeve black and white dress that I was wearing in my vlog. So you guys can see what that looks like. It's $13, super comfortable, cinches at the waist. I really, really like this, and this also went really well with the pea coat. So the final thing is I have been wanting some like cute wedged heels, and I have gone back and forth on buying them for so long. These are from Target, A New Day, and they are the ACN 55 Michaela. The Michaela is just the shorter heel. So again, these were also in my blog. And then I got them in black, like I just showed you. And then I also bought them, I haven't even actually worn these ones yet. Same size, same everything, in the nude color and just the same style. So I typically wear an 8.5, and I bought them 8.5, and they do fit true to size. Hey again everyone, so it's actually the next day. As you can probably tell by the lighting and my outfit, it is not the same day. So I filmed and edited what you just saw the Target haul yesterday. And then last night I was baking and ran out of eggs and had to run to the store, and the closest store was Target. So naturally I didn't just leave with eggs, so I have a few more items to show you guys from the Target dollar spot, specifically Christmas collection that I just wanted to show you. So I got for $3 this table runner. It has cute little penguins, and it even has little tassels on the end. I also got, because I can't resist, another banner. This was also $3. And look, it's glittery Christmas lights. How cute! I'm so excited to put this up. I also got this banner, which was also $3. That says Merry Christmas, just like this. I actually plan on using all the items I got yesterday at work. We have like a office Christmas decorating competition, so I'm excited to put all those up. I got this super cute little sign that says wishing you a merry little Christmas, also $3. It does have a little spot for a hook, so you can just put a screw on the wall and hang it up. Okay, and finally, these were $3. They had a bunch of different colors, but they have a little base, and they're basically little wired Christmas trees. I got white, but they also had green and pink. That is what I got yesterday when I was supposed to just get eggs at Target. Okay guys, that is my Target haul for you. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of this stuff. I hope it also gets you excited for Christmas. I know I'm excited. So I will be doing some Christmas DIYs coming up, and I have a couple other videos planned for the holiday season, and I hope you guys enjoy them. As always, if you like this, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to see more videos of my everyday life, travel, DIYs, tips, tricks, hacks, recipes, basically my life in video form. And I hope you guys keep following along and enjoying. I'll see you soon. Bye!